What's going on, guys? So right now I'm outside the car. As you guys can see, the car is behind me and I'm about to do a walk around of the car. The sun is like blocked. This big cloud is like blocking the sun right now. Thank you God it's blocking the sun because it is humid today and it's like only 9 o'clock in the morning. Got the fire truck people down there. I guess they're training or something, which is pretty dope. But the back of this car is menacing. That diffuser is ridiculous, guys, but pretty freaking dope. So one thing with the Shelby GT350 that you get, this is not the R. The R, you get like a big humongous wing, kind of like my Mugen wing on the SI, but you get like a big curved wing like that. For the regular GT350, you get this sick aggressive curved wing on the side like that sticks out on the side. That looks crazy and aggressive. Either wing, in my opinion, is a win-win, so you cannot complain about either wing. Is a win-win. It's either or, you're winning no matter what. You unlock the button, we got the sequencers on there, and then we got the third brake light at the bottom, and it gets brighter. Pretty dope. Got the sequencers, nasty every time you step on that brake, nasty, guys. But the GT350 is basically, of course, I know you can't use the M word, it is a Mustang, but when it's a Shelby, you just say Ford Shelby GT350. There's no more Mustang to it. So this car is really nice, and to me this car is really special. So this is a 2017 Shelby GT350. It has the black and white stripe down the whole middle of the car. It has the navigation and everything with it, the track pack where you guys see the Recaro seats in the back. But you get, of course, with the GT350, you get the snake right there with the logo that says GT350. You get this massive wing that looks super aggressive from the side, looks freaking amazing. You get this rear valance with the reverse light right there in the middle, and you get these quad exhaust tips, and you get the rear reflectors that look freaking super sick, guys. Really sick. That looks really dope. So really nice, looks really nice. So you get that, you get these 19-inch wheels, you get the Brembo brakes in the rear, these drill rotors, massive drill rotors. There's 305s in the rear, like it says right there, 305s in the rear. These are 19s, as you guys can see. Boom, 19s, 305s in the rear. You get this aggressive side skirt right here that has like a lip right here. One thing about it is it collects a lot of rocks right here, so any kind of rocks and debris that kicks up from the tire gets between here. But you can buy mounts that can block it off and protect it from rocks getting between right there. But you got this sick little side skirt right there. You get all the sick little curves right there. You got this massive wide GT350 fender with the vents right there, and you got the logo GT350 right there. Pretty dope. And then you get this different hood from the regular GT that has crazy curves on the hood from the left to the middle to the, there's another curve right here, there's another curve right here, curves right here, here. The stripe kinds of hides it a little bit, but it has a lot of crazy curves to it. The hood got some crazy curves to it, and the roof got some curves to it, as you can see. But in my opinion, no stripe or with stripe, the car looks crazy aggressive. The stripe just gives it extra touch and stands out for the car overall. But that looks freaking menacing right there. Golly, oh my god. So like I said, with the hood, it has a bunch of little curves in the hood. From right here, they got that curve right there. From right here has a curve, another curve right here, another curve down the middle here, all on the sides, the fenders. Then you got this aggressive chin splitter in the middle at the bottom that says Shelby right there. Looks freaking amazing. Of course, you get another GT350 logo and emblem in the front. You get this big grill right here so the air can go into the radiator. You get this aggressive for your turn signals right here. Crazy aggressive, looks mean as hell. Of course, you get those day running lights, the rest of the other. And as you guys can see, guys, this chin splitter, look at this, guys. I'm on the ground, touching the ground. And look how close. It's like goes up to like the side of my thumb. Like right here on the side of, like on the side of my thumb, guys. Like I'm touching the ground. Like right there where like my knuckle curves, that's where the splitter stops. So you're almost touching the ground, guys. You're almost touching the ground. And as you guys can see, the car can go even lower. Oh my god, the car can go even lower. So this car is on Michelin Pilot Sports. Really nice tire. The rears, as I told you guys, are 305s. The fronts are 295s, like it says right there, 295. So the rears are a bit wider compared to the front. We looked at a R. The R actually have 315s in the rear, which makes a complete difference and looks super aggressive. The R does have some wider wheels. I think it has like 6-spoke wheels and crazy concaves in the rear compared to the front because it has a different offset, but it looks freaking ridiculous. Looks amazing. And they're carbon fiber wheels for the R too, so they're super lightweight. But this car is menacing. And you got the black side mirrors. I like that little touch right there. It blends in with the spoiler and everything. Looks really nice. But in my opinion, the freaking stripe sets off this car and makes this car look super menacing, as you guys can see. You see that coming up in your rear view mirror, get out the freaking way. Just get out the way. But car looks nice. Car looks nice. So I did an exterior review. You got that stripe going in the middle, top. You got the little thing for the navigation right there. The trunk coming down the side all the way down to the rear valance. So the rear valance, they call this car the diffuser a rear valance, but that's what it basically means. The diffuser is a rear valance. Let me show you guys the interior. And then this color is freaking amazing too, guys. This color of the car is called Race Red. Red is one of my favorite colors, and this if I were to get like a car, my dream car, I would get it in this red. I love like reds like this. It just pops and looks freaking amazing, especially when the sun comes out and it hits it like it's hitting right now. Looks freaking amazing. They also have turn signals in the side mirrors, so I don't know if you guys know that, and it's kind of hard to see, but there is a turn signal right there in the side mirror. Gives it an additional touch right there. Looks really nice. I'm glad they went with black on the side mirrors. It gives it a nice little touch. This car tinted. It looks freaking amazing. Gives it a little touch and makes the whole car, gives it like a stealth look to it. Looks really nice. I believe it's 15% around. I'm gonna pop the hood for you guys. We did a little couple mods to it, so pop that. Come over here. All you gotta do is stick your hand underneath here, lift it up. Let's see, lift it up. Got those hood struts lifting up the whole hood. And this is a wide car compared to my little Civic. The front, well, this is a two-door, so two doors are supposed to have like a wide front end. But as you guys can see, this car, the Mustangs are called a fastback. So as you guys can see, they call it a fastback because of course the engine is all the way up here, and the engine is massive. And then you got the driver's seat, and then the little curve in the back with the skinny little trunk. Damn, though, that wing looks aggressive from the side. Ridiculous. But this is the heart of the beast right here. We got the hood struts on there. We showed you guys the mod of installing those. Highly recommend getting hood struts for this car. Definitely helps out in the long run. But this is a massive freaking engine if you guys look at it. As you guys look of how wide, especially if you look from here to all the way back there, you can see how wide this thing is. This thing is wide. The engine goes all the way back there in that corner, so super wide. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the interior. So when you first open up the door, you got this like Alcantara right here with this gray stitching right here. You got the speaker in the door, and then you get in here, you got the Ford Performance right here, really dope. All the stuff right here. Then you get these Recaro seats with the GT350 logo. Really nice. One thing I love about Recaro seats or aftermarket seats is the bolster that hugs your legs, your thighs. The bolster's right here that hugs your thighs, and then the bolster right here that hugs your sides right there. Freaking amazing. Love these seats. These seats feel very comfortable. Got some more Alcantara on the seats with a black stripe at the top. The R has the red stripe at the top, which is pretty dope. You got all your fog lights and stuff right here. Real nice. Got a little holder if you want to keep glasses. Of course, you got your gas, your brake, your clutch, manual. Gotta love it. Of course, you want to pop the trunk. You just hit that right here and the trunk is popped. Then we're gonna get into the steering wheel. You got the Cobra logo right there. You got all your steering wheel touch buttons right there, up, down, left, right, okay, phone call, Bluetooth, all the stuff right there. Then over here you got your suspension, you got your wheel and everything. So if I hit the button, you got the steering feel, you got, I don't know if you guys can see that, you got sport, comfort, normal. Dope. Keep it in sport. Suspension, you got, press the button, normal, then you got sport, all right there. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Then you got drive mode. You got drive mode for normal driving, sport, winter weather, track, drag strip. So you got a setting for normal, which is dope. Normal, sport, winter, or weather for like rain, and then you got track, and then you got drag strip. Pretty dope. Then you got your engine start and red, hazards, traction control, LC, exhaust mode, your air condition, your settings for your navigation, GPS. You got your oil pressure right here, your oil temps right here, all that stuff is right there. You got your gas right there. You got your speedometer that goes all the way to 200 miles an hour, guys. 200 miles an hour, nasty. Then you got your RPMs right here that revs all the way to 82, red lines are 8200 RPMs, nasty. And then you got your cool, the hot temperature of the engine. Then you got over here the chassis number for the GT350. You got your vents right here, vents in the middle, vents on the side, your other seats. This car does have back seats. The R does not have any back seats right here. The seats are deleted, but there are some seats back here. If you need someone to sit back there, you got a little child. Pretty dope. Same thing over here with the door, speakers, tweeters on the side. This is the chassis number right here. This one is chassis H4614. Pretty dope numbers right there. You got your compartment for, you gotta store stuff, really dope. You got the black lining in the roof, nice. A lot of the new cars come with the black lining, which is pretty dope. So it makes the car look even darker inside and keeps the car a lot cooler, which is dope. So LED lights, we did those already. Link in the description if you guys want to find out how to install those. We also got the WeatherTech mats, so when you get in and out of the car, no dirt, keep the carpet looking brand new from day one. Highly recommend get you some mats. So drive mode, we'll keep it in this, and sport. So this is the car. This is the car, and I'm gonna show you guys the trunk. You just lift up on the trunk, and it has struts already that comes from the factory. So when you open up the trunk, this struts does everything from you. Got a nice sized little trunk back here. We got some extra towels because my dad, of course, makes sure his car is looking A1 all the time. So pretty dope. Got the Shelby GT350 mats right here. Got a lot of space back here. Got a lot of space for activity. A body could definitely fit in here. So nice size trunk overall. So pretty dope. And then y'all hear that 5.2 liter V8 with the flat plane crank. So you get that deep rumble, cylinders firing simultaneously. So really dope. You get that nice deep tone to it. I love this. Love to be able to drive cars. Love sharing this experience with you guys. But that's it for the walk around of the Shelby GT350. The car is menacing. They did a highly amazing job. And I don't know if I shared you guys, but this is how the shift knob looks. Got the little shift boot. Got the cup holders right here, 2 cup holders for you. Silver. At nighttime they do change colors. You can select whatever color you want. Pretty dope. You can select the colors of what you want for here, up here for the RPMs and everything, whatever color you want. There's a bunch of different colors. The e-brake leather wrap, nice. Got this little curve on the dash. All of this is in leather, really nice. That's it for the walk around, guys. I hope you guys really like this video. Smash the like button if you guys really enjoy the walk around of this video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because there's going to be more videos on the Shelby GT350. There's going to be more videos if you guys originally subscribed to the channel because of my car. More videos on the way. A lot of the parts are from Japan that I'm ordering, because they make a lot of quality parts for, of course, Hondas, which Honda, of course, the car's made in Japan, etc., etc. But it's me. I'm ordering a bunch of parts from Japan. They take a while to come from Japan, which sucks at times, but it is what it is. When you get you get what you pay for. Quality, you get what you pay for. It is what it is. So pretty dope. I'm happy about that. So more mods for my car, slowly but surely. But of course, this car is made in America, and a lot of the parts that distributors have for this car is made here. And a lot of the parts that we order from, like for example, we order a lot of our parts from CJ Pony Parts. They're in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is 1 hour away from there. We actually went to CJ Pony Parts to return some stuff, which I think was like an hour and a half drive, or maybe a 2-hour drive, I believe. But it wasn't that far to get to CJ Pony Parts. So if they have stock of everything at CJ Pony Parts in Pennsylvania and we order it, 2-day shipping. Can't beat that. So gotta love that. So that's why a lot of mods are coming for this car. Cannot wait. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. More dope, crazy videos are coming. Plus cinematic videos are on the way. Can't wait to share that with you guys. So be on the lookout. Subscribe to the channel now. Let's get to 3K subscribers. Let's get to 10K, 20K, 30K. Let's keep going. So subscribe to the channel. Share the videos you can. Hit the notification bell to be notified on new videos every single day. If there is anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive. The thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, guys, and make it happen. Peace.